Okay guys, I wanted to show you where a crank sensor plug is on this 2004 Mitsubishi. We're going to pull it off from underneath. So right here, this second one back, this plug here, that's your crank sensor plug. So now let's go up underneath. May need the flashlight. And there she is right there. It just loosened it up, so I hope you can see that. So now we're going to reach in, unscrew the 10 millimeters, which I've already loosened up. There's one. And there's two. Now to get this pulley off, you didn't have to use a puller for this. I simply just took off the bolt itself on the crank pulley here. I loosened up both belts. This puller right here, took a 14 millimeter, break loose that nut, then up underneath you'll loosen it. This pulley right here took a 14 millimeter, up underneath you'll use a 15 deep, and take both those off. Then your timing cover, your 10 millimeter bolts here, and then your crank sensor sits right inside right there. So now we can just swap out the crank sensor. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.